Good evening. I'm Margaret Ellis, and this is PolicyLine USA. Tonight, we're breaking down the March 2026 Visa Bulletin and what the latest movement could mean for green card applicants waiting in line. Each month, the U.S. Department of State releases the Visa Bulletin, which determines when applicants in family-based and employment-based categories may move forward with their immigrant visa or adjustment of status applications. The Visa Bulletin includes two key charts: the Final Action Dates chart and the Dates for Filing chart. Final action dates indicate when a green card may actually be approved. Dates for filing determine when applicants may submit required documentation, depending on USCIS guidance for that month. Let's begin with employment-based categories. In the March 2026 Bulletin, several employment-based preference categories show movement, while others remain unchanged. Movement typically depends on visa demand, annual limits, and per-country caps. For EB2 and EB3 categories, some priority dates have advanced modestly for certain countries, while others remain steady. Applicants from countries with historically higher demand may continue to see slower movement due to numerical limits. It's important to remember that advancement in priority dates does not guarantee immediate approval. It simply means that applicants whose priority date is earlier than the listed date may become eligible to move forward, depending on the applicable chart USCIS allows for filing that month. Now turning to family-sponsored categories. Family-based preference categories also reflect varying levels of movement. Some categories show slight advancement, while others remain unchanged compared to the previous month. Movement in these categories is influenced by overall demand, annual visa limits, and processing capacity. Applicants should carefully review both charts and confirm which chart USCIS has authorized for adjustment of status filings for March 2026. So what does this mean for applicants? If your priority date is now earlier than the posted final action date, your case may be eligible for final processing, assuming all documentation is complete. If your date falls under the Dates for Filing chart and USCIS permits its use, you may be able to submit required documentation even if final approval is not yet available. However, applicants should avoid making assumptions based solely on online discussions or unofficial sources. The most reliable information will always come from the official Visa Bulletin published by the Department of State and updates provided directly by USCIS. It's also important to understand that priority date movement can fluctuate month to month. Advancement 1 month does not guarantee continued movement in future bulletins. For individuals who are close to becoming current, this may be a time to ensure that all civil documents, medical exams, and supporting materials are properly prepared to avoid delays once eligibility is confirmed. For those whose categories remain unchanged, patience continues to be part of the process. Visa allocation is governed by federal law and numerical caps established by Congress. PolicyLine USA provides general information based on publicly available government sources and does not offer legal advice. Applicants with case-specific questions should consult a licensed immigration attorney. We will continue monitoring upcoming bulletins and official announcements to provide clear and factual updates. I'm Margaret Ellis. Thank you for watching PolicyLine USA. Stay informed, and we'll see you in the next update.